Okay, we're going to work on adding some shortcuts with your editing, keys that you can press, and just some little tricks to make things go a little bit faster. Okay, so you're going to drag your files in order, get them on your timeline. Super easy, what you've been doing already. You guys should be pretty good at this. You were all good before. Okay, so you're going to get all your clips there in order. And we know that we can take our cursor to the beginning with the little red cursor and drag it. So I'm going to show you a little key button that you can press. Drag your playhead to where I walk into frame, where you want your video clip to begin. And here's the old way. Drag the red cursor up, and then you can drag your file down. And boom, super easy. All right, and then next we want to find the end. Here's the new go where I go inside, stop it, and then you can drag it down. Apparently I wait to do the little shortcut here. Go to, sometimes you have to drag the playhead, watch the video. There we go. Right before I pull the hand up, if you press the Q button, it deletes everything in front of where your playhead is and slides it down. It's called a ripple delete. Same thing on the end. If you drag, you find at the end and you press the W key, it'll delete everything to the right. There we go. Hit the Q key, and then I'm going to hit W here when I get to the end of the clip. And there we go. Just super easy. Two couple key pushes here. Going to find that beginning. Hit the Q. There we go. Find the ending and hit the W. Super easy. And if you want to think about it, if you just look on the keyboard, Q is to the left and W is to the right. So it deletes everything to the left, deletes everything to the right. And here as I edit, it looked like I was doing it, but I didn't. So go again, just go forward, find a new spot where I start acting and press Q to delete everything to the left. It slides it down. Go to the end, wait for me to leave. And you can press the W. Now remember, this saves you from dragging the cursor, then dragging the new clips down and everything like that. You just hit that button and it slides everything down, whatever direction. Remember, you can always press Control Z if you make a mistake. There we go, found the beginning. Press the Q to get rid of that. And then now we're going to go to the end and press W. Next up, I'm going to show you a trick for how to make multiple copies of a clip. This works with any clip, but I'm using it for text right now. So I'm going to put my text, press T for the text tool, drag your box, type in the text that you need, wide shot, and I'm going to leave it here in this spot. I'm going to I have a close-up here, going to go to the beginning and drag the mouse across the screen, type in close-up. There we go. Shorten it up because it goes over the medium shot, so I'm going to rearrange my clip, drag it down so it's the right length. Now I'm on a medium shot. Drag that playhead to the beginning and continue with the text tool. Drag a box, type in medium shot, and adjust it on the timeline where it needs to be. It's off a little bit, but that's okay. We can move it around. Trim it down to the right length. And now instead of typing in another close-up, I can copy. I already have the text on there. If I press and hold the Alt button, click and drag, I've created a new copy. It's just like copy and paste. All you do is press the Alt button. Here we go. Alt and drag, and then leave go. And there you go. Like, look at how much time we've already saved. And then we've got another close-up here. What are we going to do? Alt and drag. So you click and drag it to the end, and then you can drag that text out. Super simple. Alt, and then click and drag your clip. And then export, but we're not going to do that.